Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Temu order that finally came in, so woo! I'm really excited to show it, and the topic for this one is Christmas holiday kind of stuff. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I have not bought before a lot of the holiday, Christmas, snow. Well, snow I do, but nothing really Christmassy or holiday-y. And for December, so I stuck in a couple in this order that I recently got. And I'm super happy that it came in earlier than I expected. So I'm really excited to work on these to have them ready and put them up on my wall in my house in December. And these are smaller, so I know I can finish them quickly when I have a chance. And same thing, once you unfurl the painting, you will have your diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you need to diamond painting, all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray and then get the pen, press it on the wax, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And don't worry, if you lose it or if it cracks, your next painting will have one as well. They always have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I like that blue a lot. It's kind of like a gray blue, and there's a dark teal here. A whole bunch of white. Our lovely 3865. Kind of a burnt red. Really dark violet. I'm going to see if I can get a little close there so you can see it a little clearly. I'm going to fix the light a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So, yeah, I really love these colors. They're really dark toned, and I love dark tones. As you probably, if y'all have seen my previous videos, a lot of my paintings have dark tones because I just love them. And I say it as well. And so this is the painting. It's a cute, happy little snowman with a scarf and a hat with some presents and surrounded by snow and trees. Honestly, I fell in love with this painting because I love the scarf that he's wearing. And I knew, ooh, I had to pick it up. And I got this one under a lightning deal. So you'll see the price around this corner. The rest of the paintings, you'll also see the prices of the paintings in the corner as well. I really like this one. He's so cute. He's all happy. And, of course, if you think of it logically, I don't think he would need to wear a scarf to keep warm because that's kind of dangerous for a snowman. But I don't care. I think it's cute. Well, no, technically not, because they're cold. So how would they warm themselves? Huh. Sorry, that got really weird. Sorry about that. More of my self-thinking than anything. It's just curiosity, but I do love the scarf. It is cute. I love the little hat. Oh, it's so cute. I really like this one. And some information about the painting. It is PL044 and is a 20 by 20. It is 14 colors. Yay, it's a short one. And the legend, they're all alphabetical letters, so you don't have to worry about any numbers or symbols. It's all super simple, and you don't have to worry about anything kind of being different. Oh, it's so cute. I just keep staring at it because I love it. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little clearly. You have a nice little snowman with a scarf as your style is as well. And don't overthink it like Rosie just did. Sorry about that. I'm just moving some stuff off my table. So, sorry if you hear me. I just kind of threw some of my trays out of the way. And this is my next painting. So, Rosie and her anime drawing style or cartoon drawing style. And if y'all have seen some of my previous videos, a lot of my, well, not a lot, several of my paintings kind of have a drawn style to them, and a lot of them look like anime style to me, so I'm a fan of them. I'm sorry, this plastic is larger than the painting, so I'm going to have to kind of push it out a bit, see if I can kind of grab it a bit. I think I might pull the diamonds out. So, sorry for the crinkly noise. It really doesn't want to come out. Oh, yeah, that's the first thing that came out. The diamonds and the kit and the painting. It uses to come out. I'm going to have to tear it. I usually don't do that. So, because I usually save the little bag. But since this one's being a little difficult and kind of bigger than I need, I'll recycle you, friend. Don't worry about it. So let's pretend you didn't see that. So you open the painting and voila, you have the kit and the diamonds. And same thing, standard kit. This one's just a little fancier. It has a multi-placer 3 on top of the pen. As you can see, I'm going to keep that because I use a lot of the 3s. And some Ziploc bags just in case you have any extra drills. I do save these as well because I use them for storage. And a fancy little Ziploc bag, which I use as well. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, neato. These are all kitted up, meaning they're already all organized. And as you can see, they're all in Ziploc bags. And oh, I love the colors. They're all really light pastels. As you can see, the blue, the dark blue, light pink. Really, really beautiful peachy color. Get these a little close for y'all so you can see it a little better. These are so, so pretty. I really love pastel colors. As much as I love dark tones, I love my pastels too. And this is the painting. It is so cute. When I first saw it on the site, I knew I had to have it. It's so cute. And as I said, it's a drawn style, and I love that. It's a chibi little snowman with colorful, same thing with a scarf and a hat, little kind of, I was going to say flowers, but I think they're just little diamond shapes, little sparkles, and I love the color behind them. At least I know the background's not all white. So let me just fix the plastic a bit. And it was so cute when I saw the image on the site that I knew I had to pick it up. And this one as well, I got it as a lightning deal. So you'll see the price in the corner. Ooh, sorry. And yeah, it was such a good price. So that's why I picked it up. And it's so cute. Sorry, I'm going to say that a whole bunch of times. It's just a happy little snowman. And I can already see this on my wall. I'll probably put it here in my craft room. Just so I can have something kind of Christmassy. And I just love the snowman. It's so cute. And I'm hoping it can catch. I'm trying to, let me fix the light again. There we go. That's a little bright. Apologies for that. That was a little bright. I saw that. Ooh, it's so cute. Little branch arms too. Sorry, I'm going to say that over and over. So let's move on. So information about the painting. It is XTM 000. It is not Move 56. And it is 20 by 20. And this painting has 14 colors. And the legend is from the numbers 1 through 7 are numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 8 to 14, they're all capital letters. Oh, they're also kind of in order, A, B, C, and all of that. Oh, I love this legend. It's so cute. And it shows all the colors of each individual number on the legend. I love that it's all line of pastel, you can see. Oh, it's so cute. My apologies. I probably said that a whole bunch of times, but it is just cute. And it's so pretty too. As I said, I love the colors. And as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see if a nice little happy snowman. That's just too cute. It's your style as well. Last time, I promise. And this is the last painting. So as I said, all of these paintings are a little bit smaller. So I don't have any, I don't think so. Unless I have shown one in the past, but I would have to look at my paintings that I have on the side. I don't believe I have any winter ones. Well, I do have, well, no, I don't think so. I would have to check, but majority of them are small like this. So same thing. Standard kit, as I said. They always find you. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, first color I saw was that really light peach color, and I love that. Peach colors are my favorite. I'm a fan of those. You can see the dark blues, the dark grays in the middle, and on the side. I love these dark grays as well. As you probably all can tell, I just love color. So I'm not picky about any kind of colors that diamonds come in. I base it off of if I selected the painting and I know what the colors the painting has, when I see it, I have no problem with the diamonds. I'm real simple like that. And as you can see, they're all real dark. I like that. I know what I'm buying. I guess that's the best wording I could think of. And this is the painting. Oh goodness, it's a little crumpled up as you can see. It's alright. I put them in a portfolio. So they'll kind of flatten out and it'll get rid of the creasing, even the little crumply kind of creasing. They'll go away. But as you can see, it's a wonderful iced river with snowbanks and wonderful frosted trees and a nice bright, I want to say sun. Yeah, it's a sun. I believe that's in the middle, in the background. And I really like this because it's reflecting off the ice as well. So it's kind of iced water because I can actually see little waves from the water, but I can actually see the ice as well. I really like this one. It's real serene, real subtle, and when I saw it, I knew, ooh, that is a winter image. And I really like it. And where I live, there's no snow. It's once every, I don't know. I think I've seen snow where I'm currently living probably twice, I think. But I moved back to my hometown, so that's why. That's why I say, oh, I remember. No, no, no. I moved back to my hometown, so that's why I said that. But I do love snow. So I love images. I love real snow. I just love snow flat out. So that's why this one, when I saw it, big fan of it. Ooh, I just really like it. And some information about the painting. It is 22-40 and it's a 20 by 20 and it's 14 colors. And the legend is all alphabetical letters. I just noticed that all of these paintings are all 14 colors. Maybe it's a sign I should probably work on these next. They'll be real quick for me too. Since they're real small, they're 14 or 20 by 20s. I love my 20 by 20s. So they're really easy to finish. But I'll think about it. And if I do, I'll make sure to do kit up videos so y'all can see everything whenever I'm kitting up these paintings. And for this painting as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. Excuse me, so you can see it more clearly. The nice little iced snow river is your serene landscape as well. Kind of forgot what the word landscape was. Sorry about that. And yeah, that's all I have today. I was just so excited I was able to get this Temu order in. And it is a larger order. It's kind of a medium size. So you'll see a lot of Temu order videos because the order was a larger one. And you're also going to see a lot of PR packages that I received. Ooh, I got a whole bunch this week, so I gotta compile the videos together. And they're all from budget-friendly companies, so I am so excited to show them to y'all. Because when I only open the packages just in case there's an invoice or anything, but I don't take anything out. I leave it there. But since I kind of knew what I picked, I am so excited to show them to y'all. So stay tuned for that. You'll see some new companies be showing up on my channel. And yeah, so if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel to be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.